Alright, welcome back. Now, today's chapter is something very basic but also very powerful: nouns. But we are not doing this like school. We are going to understand nouns properly because nouns are not just words, they are the foundation of meaning in English. What is a noun? Beyond definition. Most people say a noun is the name of a person, place, or thing. That's correct, but incomplete. A noun is actually anything you can talk about. It can be a person, a place, a thing, or even an idea. For example, Rahul, person; Delhi, place; book, thing; happiness, idea. So nouns are not just names, they are carriers of meaning. Why nouns matter? Now think about this. Every sentence needs a subject, and most subjects are nouns. Example: Rahul reads a book. Without Rahul, there is no sentence. Without book, the sentence loses meaning. So nouns are not optional, they are essential. Types of nouns. Now we move to classification. Nouns are not all the same. We have proper nouns, common nouns, abstract nouns, concrete nouns, collective nouns. Each type has a different role, and understanding this makes your English more precise. Proper versus common nouns. Let's start with this. Proper nouns are specific names. Example: Rahul, India, Delhi. Common nouns are general. Example: boy, country, city. Now notice the difference. Proper nouns are always capitalized. So Delhi is correct. Capital D. Delhi is wrong with small d. This small detail matters in writing. Concrete versus abstract nouns. Now this is interesting. Concrete nouns, things you can see, touch, feel. Example: table, phone, car. Abstract nouns, things you cannot see. Example: love, happiness, fear. You cannot touch love, but you can feel it. So abstract nouns represent emotions, ideas, concepts. This is where language becomes deeper. Collective nouns. Now let's talk about groups. Collective nouns refer to a group of people or things. Example: team, family, crowd. Even though many people are involved, we treat it as one unit. Example: the team is playing well, not are, because we are treating it as one group. Countable versus uncountable nouns. Now this is very important. Countable nouns, you can count them. Example: one book, two books. Uncountable nouns, you cannot count them directly. Example: water, information, advice. You don't say one water, you say a glass of water. This is where many learners make mistakes. Singular versus plural forms. Now let's talk about number. Singular is equal to 1, plural is equal to more than one. Example, book, books, car, cars. But some are irregular, like child, children, man, men. So you need to observe patterns. Possession in nouns. Now let's talk about ownership. When something belongs to someone, example, Rahul's book, the girl's bag, we use apostrophe plus s. This shows possession. But be careful. Boys is not equal to boy apostrophe s, boys. One is plural. One is ownership. Nouns in sentence structure. Now connect this to real English. In a sentence, nouns can be subject, object. Example, Rahul reads a book. Rahul is subject. Book is object. So nouns are everywhere in a sentence. Noun phrases, intermediate concept. Now we go one level higher. A noun phrase is not just one word. It is a group of words acting like a noun. Example, the boy in the blue shirt. This is not just boy. It gives more detail. This makes your English more descriptive, more precise. Common mistakes with nouns. Now let's fix real mistakes. Mistake 1. Wrong plural. Informations, wrong. Information, right. Mistake 2. Using uncountable nouns incorrectly. Mistake 3. Missing articles. I have book, wrong. I have a book, right. These small errors affect your fluency. Real usage practice. Now let's improve sentences. I saw a boy. I saw a boy wearing a black jacket. She has a car. She has a new red car. They bought books. They bought some interesting books. Now your sentences have detail, clarity, personality. Let's wrap this up. Nouns are not just words. They carry meaning, build sentences, add clarity. The stronger your nouns, the stronger your English. So from today, don't just learn nouns, start using them properly.